It's time for Don and Ron. You won't get this anywhere else.
All right, folks, welcome to a follow-up edition for Don and Ron, talking about getting Clyde the CUB Dr. Smith to come down to Alabama. Since we aired the video, we've talked to Clyde. He really liked the idea of wanting to come down here, but he's really concerned about the COVID stuff going on. Clyde, you know, is 70 plus years old, and he just doesn't want to make the trip down here and take any chances. He's getting the COVID vaccine, and about the time he's going to be ready for his follow-up shot is when he would be down here. So he's really concerned because you got to kind of be on that waiting list. So we want to kind of let everybody know we hate he's not going to be here. We're still going to try to schedule something in the fall when all this stuff settles out a little bit more. But Clyde still tells me he's going to have his class in March. So anybody that's interested in coming out and wanting to do his class, we really recommend you go to Lock Haven anyway. I mean, it's such a wonderful place to go, and being right there in the classroom or being in his classroom in one of the old Piper buildings and then be able to go to the museum, really priceless anyway. So I wanted to talk to you, just go there. If you really want to do the class, sign up, call Clyde, go to the CUB Doc at Comcast.net, sign up for his class, and go up there anyway, okay? He doesn't have to be down here. We would love to have had him. But again, it's just one of those things. He's concerned about the COVID virus, and I don't blame him. It's one of those things we all want to make sure that we're all safe and secure. So contact Clyde at CUB Doc at Comcast.net, sign up for his class, look on the web and look him up, and you'll see his number there. Just personally call him. You'll find he's very, very helpful, and he would love to have you come to Lock Haven in March to do his class. So again, sorry we can't have it down here. Look forward to having it maybe in the fall or something, but we'll get it set up. And thanks for joining another edition of Don and Ron, minus the Ron. See you later. Peace out.